If you ever feel the need for a break from your Amazon Prime benefits, then consider this video as your go-to guide for a detailed yet straightforward process on how to pause your membership. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, head over to the Your Account section on the Amazon website or mobile app. And once you're there, navigate to the Prime membership page. This is usually an easy find under the Account and List section. Now, once you've landed on the Prime membership page, look for the option that says End Membership and Benefits, situated conveniently on the left side of the page. Now, click on it to initiate the process, and as you progress, Amazon will prompt you to specify a reason for ending your membership. So in this case, just select I need to pause my membership to proceed. Now, follow the on-screen instructions that pop up ensuring you complete each step as prompt. Just a quick heads up, when you successfully hit the pause button on your Amazon Prime membership, there's no need to worry about any charges at the end of your current billing cycle. Also, while your membership is on pause, you won't be able to enjoy your usual Amazon Prime benefits temporarily. But here's the silver lining. Whenever you're ready to dive back in, you can easily resume your Prime membership. It will pick up right where you left off and you'll be back in action at the current rate for your selected plan. So go ahead and take that break worry-free. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.